Greetings from NeuronThemes. In this video, we are going to build a related post pop-up. The related post pop-up are especially useful to show users who are interested in your content. You can assign a pop-up display that will show them other content with the same value as the one they're reading. Let's get going. We will start with a blank page. As per usual, we will arrange the pop-up settings first, set the width value to 100 viewport. We will set the position of the pop-up to be at the bottom. We do not want to show the overlay, and for better entrance, we will assign an entrance animation. The same goes for exit animation as well. Let's head back to the Style tab and set a background color. Let's style the close button. Let's set the vertical and horizontal positions. We will assign a lighter color to make it distinct from the background, and we will also set a size for the button. We are done with the pop-up settings. Let's start with our content. Let's drag an inner section to the page. Next on, we will add a heading element to introduce our pop-up. Let's write a content. Align it to the left. From the Style tab, we will set the text color, but we will also tweak the typography options as per usual. Right under the heading element, we will drag in a button to entice our users to engage with our pop-up. Change the text and align the button to the left. Go straight to the Style tab and tweak the typography options. Set the text color and the background color. To make our button more appealing, let's set the border radius the value of 5 pixels. We will also add some text padding around our button. Only one more component to add. This will be the related post. Now, search for the post element and drag it onto the page. For the sake of our eyes, let's quickly set the columns value to 1 and the post per page to 1 as well. Much better. We will set the image size to full, and let's configure the image size and ratio. Great. Now, let's go back and set the image position to left. We will show the title, but we will hide the excerpt. From the metadata, we will only show the category. Switch the handle on to show the Read More text. From the Queries tab, you can determine which posts to show based on a precise algorithm. We will set the source to post. We can include posts either by term or author. We'll select term and define a certain category, depending on where you want the pop-up to be displayed. The heavy stuff is done. Now it's all fun and games. Let's style the post element. Set the column gap and the row gap to the value of 0. Open the Box tab and set the content padding to the value of 10 pixels on all sides. Next, open the image section and set the spacing to be 0. From the Content section, let's change the text color and tweak the typography options. The same procedure will be applied to the meta text as well as the Learn More button. Let's speed this up. We're almost done here. Lastly, open the Content Order section and allow ordering. We want the metadata to be displayed on top of the title. This is our design. Seems elegant, just like our blog. Now let's set the conditions and triggers. Click on Publish. From the Conditions tab, we will determine the category for the pop-up. Let's go to the Triggers tab and switch the On Scroll to Element option on. We will first set a class for the element. Let's name it .related. Note that when you set a class for the Trigger tab, you always type the dot before the name. Now let's go and edit the single post template. We want the pop-up to appear after the user reaches the last section on our page. Click on the section's handle to open its options. From the Advanced tab, locate the CSS class and type here the same class we assigned from the Triggers tab. Only this time, we'll write it without the dot. Click on Update, and now your related post pop-up will work wonders. Let's see how it goes. We'll go through our blog article. We're scrolling down. And here we have it. There's our pop-up. This concludes our video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more guides and tutorials.